Are you ready to transform your home into a cleaner, healthier space? DIY natural cleaning products are the answer. These eco-friendly solutions not only promote a toxin-free environment, but also save you money. Start with the basics: vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Vinegar is a powerhouse for cutting through grease and disinfecting surfaces. Just mix equal parts of water and vinegar in a spray bottle for an all-purpose cleaner. Baking soda, on the other hand, is excellent for scrubbing and deodorizing. Create a paste with water for a gentle, abrasive cleaner, perfect for sinks and tubs. Essential oils such as tea tree or lavender not only add a lovely scent, but also possess antimicrobial properties. Combine a few drops with your vinegar or baking soda mixtures to enhance their effectiveness. For windows, a simple solution of vinegar and water will leave them streak-free. Make the switch today and enjoy a sparkling clean home without the harmful chemicals found in commercial products. Your family and the planet will thank you for it. Embrace natural cleaning and experience the many benefits it brings to your daily life.